Welcome to our video tutorial for TurboLeads, a customer relationship management system, or CRM for short. In this video, we'll cover how to navigate to TurboLeads, where to get started with TurboLeads, as well as a general overview of features available. There may be more specific videos such as detailed IMAP integration instructions covered in its own video, so make sure to check out the other videos on our channel. For now, we'll just cover the essentials of TurboLeads. With that, let's get started. With TurboLeads, you can manage new and existing contacts, adjust automated replies and campaigns to contacts, adjust contact lead assignment, view their favorite listings, and even send them suggested listings as TurboLeads interacts directly with your iHouse Elite website. First, you'll need to navigate to TurboLeads. From the website admin dashboard, look at the left side menu and click TurboLeads. Each section will display with its own corresponding color and title. In this instance, orange is used for TurboLeads. You'll land on the Home section in TurboLeads by default. Home is a summary of the other sections and their recent events. If this is your first time visiting your TurboLeads, there may be a 3-step checklist called Getting Started. It is encouraged to take the walkthrough tutorial, but not to worry, the same content will be covered here, albeit in a different order. With that, let's take a look at the rest of Home once this is completed. As mentioned before, Home is a quick summary of the other sections. Here you'll see new leads from Pipeline, tasks to do from scheduling, and performance from the reports section. To see more than a 30-day summary of recent events, you can visit each respective section. Next, let's take a look at Pipeline, seen here. Pipeline will allow you to see all new leads along with their current status. Noting new leads can be added by pressing the plus symbol found in the bottom right of the screen. This same plus symbol can be seen in many of the other areas as a way to add to that specific section as well. Next, we'll take a look at Schedule. Schedule is where you can check current tasks you've created. You may have noticed that you can't add a task from this screen using the plus symbol mentioned earlier. This is because tasks are created on and for specific individual contacts, so they should be added or created when viewing a prospective contact's details. And with that, next we'll take a look at Contacts. Contacts is likely the most important section in TurboLeads. It holds all your past, current, and new leads. Where Pipeline is just the newest leads, Contacts is your full contacts list. Here you can search using filters and utilize tags to help keep things organized. Let's look closer at a specific contact and see the options available when doing so. You can press the plus symbol in the corner to create a new lead or click an existing lead. After creating or clicking on a contact, you'll be taken to the contact details page. The pencil icon in the top right will let you edit the contact. You can update first name, last name, primary phone number and phone type, secondary phone number and phone type, primary email and type, secondary email and type, address and type, status, manage which tags are applied, pick which agent the lead is assigned to for offices, and manage notes. Press save if you'd like to save your changes. Alternatively, you can click the cancel or the arrow to return to the previous screen. Any changes saved will be reflected. Here you'll see their current primary phone number and primary email. Email can be clicked to compose and send an email to this contact as well. Now let's look at each section on the contact details page. About. About is the quick menu for adjusting the status, who the lead is assigned to, source to see where the contact came from, and any assigned tags. Tasks. A task reminder can be created for yourself here. Clicking the 3 dots will allow you to schedule a new task by setting a task description, an action to take, and a date and time to do so. If saved, this will then appear on your schedule in TurboLeads on the day set as a reminder. Badges. Returning to look at their email for a moment, you may see up to 3 types of badges. S for subscribed to marketing emails, R showing they registered through your website and which one, and H indicating they are receiving HouseTrack email alerts. But what are HouseTrack email alerts? To understand that, we'll look at the section for saved searches. Saved searches. On each contact, you'll see a section for saved searches. This will display searches the contact has saved, and below this, the listings they've favorited on your website. This is a powerful feature to have and gives valuable insight. You can even suggest a new search by pressing Create New Search. Give the search a name the contact would recognize, select the parameters, and lastly, you can have Enable HouseTrack and Send First HouseTrack Now. This will send them scheduled email alerts to searches on your website matching that criteria. And with that, the H badge will appear. Recent. The recent section is also valuable as it keeps a record of past communication and actions taken with this contact. So if there is ever a pause, you can catch up quick and pick up right where you left off. This gathers a lot of essential features under one roof. By using your CRM, your website, and the MLS data, those visiting your website are able to build a profile of what they're looking for and where without the need to reiterate those needs, which wouldn't be possible if done in a general internet search. By searching on your website, both you and the contact start to build quality communication based on reliable data. Next, we'll take a look at the Reports section. Reports. As mentioned from the Home section, clicking Reports will give you an overview of leads converting to a sold status. And after this is Settings. The Settings section is likely the most complex section of TurboLeads as it provides many granular controls. The first section under Settings is Account. Account is where you'll find the various account-specific integrations. For details on any of these specific integrations, check out our Help Center articles for that respective integration. The next section is Notifications. Notification settings adjust what you'll be notified about and how. When clicked, each of these scenarios will have a similar selection of options composed of if the reminder is enabled, the timing of reminders, and the type of notification such as email, SMS or text, and push notification for those using the TurboLeads app. The different scenarios listed can be enabled or disabled as desired. The description for each can be found below each title for more detail. And last notification setting is additional notification email addresses, where you can place additional emails you'd like to receive these notifications at. Next is Email Reports. This lets you send yourself an email summary report of website activity if desired. Daily Lead Report will send a recap of your new leads and upcoming tasks. Website Activity Report will send a report of recent client activity, and House Track Summary Report will send you a summary of your client's House Track activity. Next is Lead Assignment. For offices, there will be a lead assignment section where you can adjust the defaults for lead assignment. Round Robin Lead Assignment will enable automatic new lead assignment around your team when a new lead is captured as opposed to manually assigning the lead. Auto-assign leads to listing agents will assign the lead to the listing agent on your agent roster. Allow agents to change their availability for auto-assignment will allow agents to turn off their availability to be auto-assigned new leads if needed in cases of leave or vacation. Allow agents to assign away their leads, if enabled, will allow agents to assign away their leads to any other eligible agent. Available for automatic lead assignment will allow you as the office owner to be included in the pool of agents who can be auto-assigned leads. The next section is Manage Defaults. Follow-up intervals is an additional reminder for tasks due that haven't been acted on. Campaigns are automated drip emails that are sent over time. Clicking campaigns will list the current campaigns available. Clicking a specific campaign will list the emails that will be sent in that specific campaign, how they will be sent over time, as well as the auto start trigger that will start the campaign automatically for a contact. Auto start triggers will set a condition or rule, and when that condition is met, the campaign will start sending the scheduled emails for that contact, but we'll leave the advanced details of campaigns to its own respective video in our Help Center and YouTube channel. Email templates will allow you to edit the emails that are being used in campaigns and other auto responses. Disqualified reasons lets you manage the list of options a lead could be marked as disqualified. Tags will let you manage the list of tags a lead could be marked with to help organize contacts. These can be deleted or added to if desired. Allow agents to create new tags will enable the ability of individual agents who are not the office owner to create tags. These tags become available to all other agents as well when created. If turned off, the agents can only choose from existing tag options and only the account admin can create new ones. The next section is auto responses. Auto response text message will automatically send a text message to newly captured leads. Form auto response emails will automatically send an email reply when a form is submitted, such as the registration form or contact form. Which emails can be used in the auto response is determined from the email template section covered earlier under Manage Defaults. This is typically a very simple thanks for registering or a got your message email stating that you'll be in touch. And our last section is Other. Accept calls and capture leads from unknown callers will handle calls or text to your account phone number from an unknown phone number as a new contact and create a new lead for that unknown phone number. Reply to contacts directly from notification emails can be enabled here as well. If a contact has an email address, you'll be able to directly reply to them from the notification email. Please note though, use of this feature is strongly discouraged for users who have not configured IMAP integration, since it will prevent TurboLeads from being able to log your interaction. For more detailed instructions on this, check out our Help Center article for email integration in IMAP. And that concludes our video tutorial for TurboLeads. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.